Welcome back. In previous lecture, we have discussed about distribution or distributor system. So the advantages of this distributor system over the individual pump system is there is a less chance of leakage of fuel because at a time only a single pipe is with high pressure and remaining pipes with a low pressure. So due to this, what happens, there is always leak chances reduces. Again, the maintenance cost of this system is also low. Initial cost of this system is also low because only a single high pressure pump is used. So these are the advantages of this system over the common rail system or over the individual pump system. But the disadvantage of this system is, as there is only single pump is there, if some problems happen with this pump, the whole system gets stopped. So this is a major drawback of this distributor system as compared to individual pump system. So these are the three mechanical injection systems in which the fuel is injected inside engine cylinder with the help of some mechanical arrangements, with the help of mechanical equipments, that is common rail air injection system, individual pump system and distributor system. So now next is unit injector. So as name indicates, unit injector means in this system pump and injector, that is nozzle, are combined in a single housing or in a one housing, and that unit, that is housing, is provided to each and every cylinder. That means in this case there is no any pipelines, there is no any or there is no more mechanical arrangements. So this unit injector is provided to each and every cylinder in which high pressure pump and nozzle is there. For this unit injector, fuel from the tank is supplied with the help of low pressure pump, and as per the firing order of engine, that unit injector gets actuated with the help of actuators and fuel injection takes place. If we see the diagram of this unit injector, in this case low pressure pump supplies the fuel from tank to this unit injector, that is to each and every unit injector, and as per the firing order, that is with the help of cam and follower arrangement or rocker arm mechanism, the actuation of this injector takes place. So as per the firing order, that unit injector injects the fuel inside engine cylinder. So in this case, the space requirement of this system is very low as compared to remaining systems. That is, maintenance of this system is also low. In this system, fuel from tank with the help of low pressure pump is supplied to the injector with the help of rocker arm. The plunger get actuates at a proper time and the fuel is injected into the cylinder. The amount of fuel injected is regulated by the effective stroke of plunger the pump and injector can be integrated in a one unit. Hence this system is called as what? Unit injector. So advantages of this system is it requires low space or less space as compared to remaining system. Maintenance of this system is less as compared to remaining systems. So this is about the fuel injection system with the help of mechanical arrangements, that is commonly direct injection system, individual pump system, distributor system and unit injector. So in university examination, one question is asked on these systems for 5 marks.